for Windows 11. We're going to check it out. I know a few things have changed since the leaked version, so we're going to sign in here. And by default, of course, it's the light theme. The interface has been cleaned up a lot. The ribbon is gone, which I think looks much cleaner. One of the things I noticed here, if you go into the folder, you'll see it says new folder, but also when I click new item, folder comes up. Kind of funny there. Might be a bug, who knows. Our nice settings are still here. Speaking of settings, the settings menu has been completely redesigned. Looks really cool. Everything is here in one nice place. So it's all been integrated. Looks great. I like the dark theme, so I'm going to go with the dark theme there. That neat. Yeah. Check that out. So let's see. I like to have desktop icons too. So let's go down here to themes and desktop icon settings. Let's add some. And let's sort by item type one more time. There we go. Icons look really nice. They've all been updated. Looks like the OneDrive icon's been updated as well from last time. Yeah, it looks so much nicer in dark mode and easy on the eyes. Yeah. I like that. Now you can, of course, still go back to the old control panel. Right, it's here. And if you're more familiar with that. But there are certain settings that I notice, like if I want to put high performance or whatnot, they don't show up in the other one. So let's look at this. Our Windows version is 21H2, which is also a Windows 10 version, 22000.51. I used my Windows 10 key to activate this on my Microsoft account, and it worked just fine, so that's good. This is still the same. Updates, I think, let's see here, go to settings, I think Windows Update, yeah, it's now here on the side, pretty cool. You can do that inside Windows Insider program, which is how you can get this build if you have a Windows 10 machine. And I'm already part of the Windows Insider, but this is on the dev channel, so you can get that and update a Windows 10 VM or machine. But yeah, I mean, it looks like everything's been set up. You can set how you like to use it. Put gaming, entertainment, business, and it sets your start bar for whatever you've set those as. Yeah, everything looks. I think it's getting there. I noticed a few little bugs, of course, when I switch between certain applications, or when I switched to dark mode, you notice that these buttons still remained white until I moved my mouse over them. So, of course, a few little things are going to change as we go along. I'm sure they'll fix those issues. Edge is the default browser. And Edge has become pretty nice. I mean, a lot of people were giving it flack, but it's built on Chromium, so it's it uses a lot less memory than Google Chrome, and a lot a lot less resources than Firefox. So I'm actually giving it a try and seeing how it works. So I've got the Windows stores all nicely set up. You got virtual desktops. You'll notice you can set a desktop background on each one. So go to desktop 3 and you can personalize each desktop with its own icons, its own whatever you'd like. So I'll set that one there and then go here and there's desktop 2, desktop 1. Open up some windows here and do some work on that one and go to your other one and maybe open up a browser. If you don't have multiple monitors, this is going to be great. And even if you do have multiple monitors, it's going to be nice to be able to do, work on each one individually and switch back and forth. So I like it. I like it a lot. So I'm going to close this and close that. Go back to desktop 1 here. The Windows terminal, of course, is here with tabs. And now it's Windows Terminal and Windows Terminal Admin instead of PowerShell Admin. When you right click on the Start menu and close all those tabs. You see this doesn't, if I click here, that's another one that I think they need to fix that. Taskbar settings, some things don't close correctly for some reason, but I'm sure they'll fix that as time goes on. But yeah, it's looking good. Video editor, Photoshop Express. Now these icons are here, but of course when you click on them the first time, I think they download. Yeah. So I haven't downloaded any of these apps, but they're there in case you want them. And then, of course, built-in apps. Click on Scientific. Maybe get a graphing calculator. Get the old TI-83. But looks good. Clean. I like it. New font. That's Segway UI, I think it's called. Pretty cool. All right. Well, that's pretty much it. Talk to you later.